Hey y'all, welcome back. Mr. Fix-It coming at you with another video. This one is on a set I picked up, a hardware set for your bathroom. It's by Zalerock. Zalerock Modern 6-piece hardware kit for your bathroom. Basically your towel bars and toilet paper holder and stuff like that. But it's a new setup where the whole thing is one piece, the towel bar, instead of being 3 and 4, 5 pieces. It comes in a kit like this, okay? And this is all foam, so it's all protected for shipping. It's got your, this is what it looks like. It's all individually has spots for each thing in the box. It comes with a towel ring, okay? It comes with two towel hooks. These hooks you can put, by your shower, by your sink to hold your hand towel and hold your body towel. It also comes with a short bar. So you can see what I mean by it's one piece. Usually these are separate. And they're on the ends instead of, off center. These are set 1 inch in on the bar. So it kind of has a different look. Okay. It also has this 24-inch bar for you. This is usually by the tub or, in the middle of the bathroom so you can put your bigger body towels on. Has all the hardware needed to hang all this stuff. They all have the plates, the hanging plates, okay? So you got to take these hanging plates out with your L wrench here. And once you get them out, you're going to make your level line. And then you're going to mount your plates on there. And then the towel bar will go on the plates. It also has the toilet paper holder, the TP holder. So it comes with everything you need for your bathroom. It will all match, and it's the brushed nickel, which is my favorite. And get the set, order it online, send it to you. You have everything you need, put it up, and you're done. It's a good, quick, easy way to go. So check it out. You can look at it on HomeDepot.com and have it shipped to you. It's usually not that much hassle to have things shipped. All right, so it's called the Zalerock Modern 6-piece towel bar kit. Check it out online. This is Mr. Fix-It. Like and subscribe, guys. Share the video. Thanks for coming. I'm out.